This is another huge, monumentous game in the IFL today as the Quad City Steamwheelers, the number one seed on the eastern side, take on the Green Bay Blizzard, who want the arena to be in icy, blizzard, cold conditions for the Blizzard to thrive. But the Steamwheelers ship has not sunk. So it's going to be a great game. You're going to want to check it out on the IFL network. And this game could go either way, man. Which team is playing better football? Daquan Neal-led Quad City Steamwheelers or Max Mailer-led Green Bay Blizzard? Coaches are really good, too. It's an even matchup. Let's go. Tune in to the IFL network. Go Blizzard.